Hello everyone, this is the Kalamazoo bandsaw for sale on eBay. I'm just going to do a little walk around of it and kind of show you the condition of it, show you a few things about it. It's in good shape overall. Everything I know on it works. Just some little paint chips and little bits of rust here and there. Your name tag here. It's an h9adv model. It does have the fast release vise, so this locks it down going this way, and then you can just unlock it, and then you can come over here, move your vise out of the way, and to lock it back down you just tighten it up and it locks. The outfeed table, of course, is included. It's got a big bow door motor in it. Go down there's your bow door. It has the gas or hydraulic cylinder there. Doesn't seem to be leaking or anything. It's controlled by that little knob right there. So you just turn that little knob. I'll show you. So you can just turn that and it releases it. Well, I guess I'll make a cut here and kind of show you how it runs and how it cuts. I think this blade's pretty dull. Also, I got up here three other blades that will be included in the sale. So you get those also with it, including the one on it. So that's the on switches down here. There you go. There's a cut. Alright, thanks for viewing another video, everyone.